BullX is the newest trading bot that you can use to trade any sort of crypto pairs, and is blowing the other trading bots out of the water. We've obviously had a lot of different trading bots that you could have used, but BullX is by far the most complete one, and it's the one taking over Twitter right now. If you're active in the meme coin trading space especially, you've probably heard about BullX because it has a lot of hype and demand right now because it's just such a good trading bot. And just to tell you how much demand there is for this trading bot right now, the waitlist to get access to this bot is over 160,000 people on the waitlist waiting to get access. Now you don't have to worry because I do have an access code that you can use to get access to their trading bot right away. I will obviously link that down below, but today we're going to cover this trading bot, why it's so good, and how you can use it to make a lot of money. So with that said, if you enjoyed the content, smash a like and subscribe down below. With that said, let's take a look at this trading bot, and then after that I'm going to cover my current meme coin holds and what my portfolio looks like right now. So this is the homepage of BullX. Obviously first you need to get access, and you do need an access code or referral link to do that, and I will leave my link down below which will give you instant access. You will get a brand new wallet, you just need to fund that wallet and you're ready to go. And as you can see, this trading bot works with Ethereum, Binance, Base, Arbitrum, Blast and Solana. So basically all the chains that you'll probably ever trade meme coins on, BullX has access to. So you can set up wallets on any of these chains, which is great because not a lot of these trading bots have the feature of allowing you to trade on all different chains. And to cover the basics of this bot, firstly you have new pairs where it's constantly updated, all the new pairs being created. They have a pump vision feature which is really cool, basically allowing you to see all the new creations on Pump Fun. You also have all the tokens that are about to migrate to Radium. Obviously once they hit a certain threshold or market cap, they migrate over to Radium, and you can see all the coins that have just graduated over to Radium. So it's a great way to keep an eye on all the new coins launching on Pump Fun and getting super early. You also have all these different filters, so you can filter with liquidity, volume, market cap, transactions, top 10 holders, liquidity burnt, etc. So you can find the exact tokens that you want to invest in. Then you have the explore page where you have trending coins, you have top gainers, top losers, and the newest coins right here as well. And again, you can sort by all of these different filters with liquidity, volume, market cap, etc. Then you have this automation feature, basically allowing you to automate your trades. So you can set limit orders and automatically buy tokens when they hit a certain price. It also allows you to DCA into different coins. You can tell the bot to buy a certain amount of any token every hour, for example, or every day if you want to DCA into any tokens. And another thing I love about BullX is that it's super easy to understand the bot, and if you don't understand it, they have these videos basically showing you in detail how all the different features work. Then you have your portfolio with all of your tokens and active positions right here. So you can see that this is my current holdings on this wallet. And then you have wallet manager, you can see all the different wallets on all the different chains. Then if you go to settings, you have the quick buy preset, you have the buy preset buttons, gas preset buttons, so you can basically choose how much gas you want to pay, slippage, quick buy, etc. All the different settings that you need. You also have Academy, which basically just is a complete tutorial on how to use all the different features BullX provides. And you can also see this airdrop section because they have actually announced an airdrop already. You can see that the airdrop begins in June, so it should begin any time now. And by signing up using my referral link down below, you actually get 10% less trading fees, as well as a 5x multiplier on earning airdrop points. So you earn 5 times the amount of airdrop points as any normal user. And to just show you quickly how this works, let's say I wanted to trade Jude. You know that I'm quite bullish on the Jude token going into the euros. You can easily trade it on the right. You also have the liquidity, the price, the market cap, all the most recent transactions right here. You have the holders, top holders, positions, etc. You can set limit orders and get in at a specific price if you want to. You also have this quick audit, which shows you the different security features of the coin. So you can see it's not mintable, token data is not mutable, LP is burnt, and the top 10 holders only hold 15% of the token, which is pretty solid. So you can see all these different security problems with all the different tokens. And you obviously have the main chart right here, basically just a trading view chart integrated into the bot. So let's say I want to buy 0.2 Sol of Jude. I just click buy and it automatically buys because that's the quick buy feature, and it automatically fills my position. And if we go to my portfolio, you can see that my active positions right now consists of Ronnie as well as Jude. You can see the PNL as well, and on the left you'll be able to see all of your previous trades, and it just makes it super easy to keep track of all of your trades and your total PNL on your account. You also have all of your open positions at the top of the page, and honestly it's just a super cool product, super useful bot, especially when trading meme coins. The best things about this bot in my opinion is that it's so well organized. You can easily see all your open and closed positions, as well as the pump vision feature is super cool as well. The fact that you can see all the pump fund tokens and filter it well with your own criteria. So yeah, at the moment BullX is the most complete trading bot on the market in my opinion. Highly recommend you to check it out. They have already announced an airdrop, which I assume will be pretty big, over 160,000 people on the waitlist. But as I said, you can get instant access by using the link down below. Now I told you I also would share my current meme portfolio. Obviously you know that I'm pretty big in the Euros meme coin space right now, because the Euros is actually starting tomorrow when this video goes live. I'm super excited for it. We have seen some dips in some of these Euro tokens, because a lot of people will probably want to sell before the Euros start, just get out because they're expecting a dump. I think once the Euros start that some of these tokens will see a major pump again, especially if some of these players or teams perform well. So this is my current portfolio. We have Jude, which is my main holding. That's the one I've been the most bullish on this entire time. Shielded pretty early at like 300k market cap in my Telegram group. If you're not in my Telegram, you can join it down below. Market cap right now is 2 million. I think it can easily go to like 5, 6 at least during the Euros if Jude himself plays well. And if you don't follow the Legit Bros account, highly recommend you to follow that. It's basically myself, Crypto Insight UK, and the Crypto Man running this account. We host weekly spaces on all sorts of topics. Most recently, we held an hour-long stream about meme coins specifically. We had a cracked panel with Seds, Rahim, and the Altcoinist, who are all cracked in the meme coin space. Highly recommend you to check this stream out if you haven't, because we shared so much meme coin alpha and different meme coin tickers that we are bullish on. So I will leave the link to that stream down below. But some of the highlights were Brett, MPC, we had Nub, Bonk, Whiff, White Monster, Jude, a few other tokens that we're all very bullish on. Highly recommend you to check that out and follow the Legit Bros account, as well as follow me over on Twitter, obviously, because I share all my meme coin trades and stuff way earlier on Twitter than I do here on YouTube, because it takes a few days for me to make these videos. And if you want my calls even earlier than that, then join my Telegram, because that's where I share them right after I buy them. So let me know down below in the comment section what meme coins you're bullish on at the moment, and if you're using BullX. If you're not using it yet, but you will be signing up with the link down below, I would love to hear your feedback on the trading bot, because in my opinion it's a sick trading bot, and I would love to hear your thoughts as well. Now with that said, I hope you have an amazing rest of your day. Make sure to like and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys later. Peace.